Good morning, class 8. Today we are starting our new section. It is composition section. In composition section, today we are starting with chapter number 1. It is passage for comprehension. It means unseen passages. In your examination, an unseen passage is given. 2 questions are asked related to this unseen passage. How many questions are asked? 2 questions are asked. Each question has 2 parts. Each question has 2 parts. Some unseen passages are given for your practice. Now, let's see the passage number 1. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions given below. Now, let's start the passage. One day, when the woodcutter was returning from the forest with a load of wood on his head. Again I am repeating the first line. One day when the woodcutter was returning from the forest with a load of wood on his head, he found a big wooden box. What did he found? He found a big wooden box. It is full of gold coins. There was so much money in it that he could live in comfort without working for the rest of his life. He was overjoyed to see the money. He was overjoyed to see the money. Now, let's discuss the question answer. What did the woodcutter find? What did the woodcutter find? The woodcutter found a big wooden box full of gold coins. Our second part, how much money was there in the box? There was so much money in it that he could live in comfort without working for the rest of his life. Question number 2, part A. Write one word for the following. A person who cuts wood in the forest. I am repeating the sentence. A person who cuts wood in the forest. What we said? Woodcutter. Our second one. Find the word from the passage which is opposite to small. Opposite to small is big. So, while doing the second question, our passage is completed. Now, let's see the second passage. Let's continue with the passage number 2. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions given below. I am Sunita. I live in Delhi with my parents. Last summer, I went to Rampur to stay with my maternal uncle. My mother packed my luggage. She gave me some dresses for my cousins. My mother gave me some dresses for my cousins. She also gave me a wooden horse for little Monty. She also gave me the wooden horse for little Monty. My father gave me some money. My mother packed my luggage and my father gave me some money. Then he took me to the railway station. When I reached Rampur, I saw my uncle. He was waiting for me at the railway station. My uncle was waiting for me at the railway station. He took me to home. Now See the question answer. Question 1, Part A. What did Sunita's father give her? What did Sunita's father give her? Sunita's father gave her some money. Now let's see the second part of first question. Where did Sunita go? Sunita went to Rampur to stay with her maternal uncle. Or we can say she went to Rampur to stay with her maternal uncle. Now see the second question, first part. Write one word for the following. The brother of your father. I am repeating the question. The brother of your father. Uncle. Now see the second part. Find the word from the passage which is opposite to mare. Mare means which is opposite to mare. The answer is horse. The answer is horse.